Hello and welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Ishani and you are watching Weekly Highlights. Today's first news is families from California, America visited the Computer and Sewing Training Center at Ekal Gramothan Foundation Center, Midli in Mahakaushal Division, Narsingpur. The guests were given a traditional welcome and were informed about the activities going on in the center. They interacted with the students and told them how sewing and computer education is opening the way to self-reliance. Many dignitaries, including Suresh Vyauhar, MC Vyauhar, Rupali Vyauhar and Shrishti Vyauhar were present. Second news. On 21st February 2025, a grand welcome was given to Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath in Godshal village of Jasauli Sanj in the Rudraprayag region of Uttarakhand. Rural women welcomed the chariot with tilak and garland and worshipped Lord Ram. Devotional songs were sung in the satsang and the villagers also pledged to be free from addiction and become part of the Hanuman family. Third news. On 23rd February 2025, Van Yatra was organized by the Ekal Shri Hari Ahmedabad chapter. 20 industrialists participated with 6 vehicles from Ahmedabad along with the National President Mahesh Mittal and Vice President Vishwanath Singhania from Surat. Ekal Vidyalaya visit, Shri Hari Rath Puja and cultural meet with the villagers were held in the Mahisagar region of Gujarat. This historic event of the Ahmedabad chapter gave a new direction to rural services and religious consciousness. Fourth news. On February 23, 2025, the Ekal Gramothan Foundation organized a Grand Kisan Mela at the Dindori IVD Center. A total of 250 farmers showcased their organic products representing 18 different types. The event also featured training sessions on organic farming techniques, organic fertilizer production and pest control. Dr. Lalan Kumar Sharma, the chief speaker, provided online guidance to the participants. During the program, children were presented with certificates and farmers were honored with the Dharti Rakshak Award. Apart from this, various cultural performances made the event memorable. Fifth news. On February 27, 2025, a meeting was held at Pragya Mandapam, Mahakaushal Division, Jabalpur, to discuss the planning of Ekal Shri Hari Nagar Katha. The meeting was attended by National Vice President Makhan Kishore Goyal, National President of Gram Swaraj Manch Sanjay Jain, FCS Chapter President Ganesh Purohit and several other officials. During the meeting, it was agreed to organize the Shri Ram Katha from May 4th to 8th, 2025. Following the meeting, a community meal was hosted by committee official Nekpal Ji and his family. Sixth news. On 21st February 2025, a religious awakening campaign was launched in the rural areas of Chhattisgarh division through Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath. The villagers welcomed the chariot with devotion and worshipped Lord Ram with religious enthusiasm. During this, topics like de-addiction and family sanskar awakening were also discussed. The villagers described the Rath Yatra as a remarkable means of awakening faith. Seventh news. On February 25, 2025, Honorable Shri Sanjay J. Vinje, who had arrived from America, visited the sewing sub-centers in Suryamal and Vashind run by the Ekal Gramothan Foundation. After a Saraswati Puja and a warm welcome at Suryamal, the women undergoing training shared their experiences and presented Sanjay J with a bag they had made with their own hands. At the Vashind sub-center, he was again welcomed with a traditional aarti and welcome song. Sanjay Ji encouraged the women and praised the work of Ekal Gramothan. Following this, he visited the Gramothan Kendra in Gadgaon, where he observed activities such as sewing, tree plantation and Gaushala. Sanjay Ji expressed his commitment to becoming the brand ambassador of Ekal Gramothan and promised to promote the organization's work in America. Eighth news. On the occasion of Mahashivratri, a grand Shiv Parvati procession was taken out in Udhampur by the Shri Hari Rath Mandir Utsav department. The event was specially supported by the workers and officials of Ekal Abhiyan Division Jammu, including Mr. Madan Lal Sharma, Mr. Mamchand Mittal, Mr. Heemraj, Mr. Jeet Ram and Anchal President Mrs. Ritu Sharma. More than 300 local people attended the program and enjoyed the program with devotion. Ekal Abhiyan is organizing sanskar education and religious events under the Panchmukhi scheme in more than 1.1 lakh villages across the country. That's all for today. Keep watching Ekal Bharat.